So traders, let's just take a look at these indices because they've been fantastic, but very, very late in the day. This is the Dow on the daily, 3 hour and 1 hour, and you can see that we look fine up until an hour into the session or half an hour into the session. We crashed into the Friday high, peaked above it, and then immediately we couldn't close above it on the 60-minute chart. You can see we peaked into that zone, into the Sunday range, and then started falling back. It looks as if we're going to get a buy signal here, but it was just a holding pattern, and then we eventually, here we are, just closed, and we've come in contact with this fib zone down here. I think we're coming all the way back down to 825, the breakup area from the non-farm payroll on Friday, and possibly lower, possibly a retest of 750. So if we now get a pullback into 165 200, I'll look to short that tomorrow. DAX was okay until we got the data out of the way at 12:30. Kept closing lower and then eventually just capitulated and closed right down here again on this fib zone. So I would short any pullback to sort of 250 area tomorrow. Euro, I thought this was going to sell at the sort of 380 area, 400 area. So far we've peaked above 410, but we've got some sell signals up here now, so let's see what happens. In the meantime, the daily is still sitting up proud just underneath this trend line. In fact, let me just redraw that because it's not very good. Who will be the next fool is the name of the track. It's from 1970. I got a compilation called Texas Funk, put together by Jazzman Records. Okay, so that's the main ones I'm looking at. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, so the euro yen, pound yen is just coming underneath, just about to test the underside of this massive trend line. I think if we retest 145 or higher, 151, I think we're going to get another leg down and potentially come and see these lower levels down here. Okay, this market is not happy, it's unraveling at the moment. I would normally expect this market to begin to be picking up now, but let's just see. Basically, the stocks are still too expensive. They're just not finding buyers, so these indices can't hold. You can see this pattern here, so if we can come into the lower side of this, around about 700, 750, which is the level I just quoted, then maybe we can recover, but in the meantime it's not happy. Okay, see you in the room tomorrow.